tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Technologygyan, where we explore the latest and greatest in tech. AI is transforming the way we work, create, and live. In today's video, I'll share some of the best AI tools you should know about in 2024. These tools will boost your productivity, creativity, and even simplify your life. So let's dive in. First up is ChatGPT by OpenAI. If you've ever needed help writing content, answering complex questions, or brainstorming ideas, this tool is a game changer. Demonstrate ChatGPT solving a problem or writing content. Highlight how it's great for emails, essays, coding help, and even casual conversations. Tool 2. DALL AI Image Generator. Want to create stunning images from just text? Check out DALL by OpenAI. Showcase how to generate an image by typing a simple description like a futuristic cityscape at sunset. Tool 3. Grammarly. Struggling with writing? Grammarly is your personal AI writing assistant. Demonstrate Grammarly rewriting a paragraph to make it more engaging or formal. Show how it integrates into Gmail, Word, or social media platforms. It's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to communicate better. Tool 4. Runway ML AI Video Editing. If you're into video editing, Runway ML is a must-have. It's like having a professional editor powered by AI. Tool 5. Notion AI. On camera, for organizing your life and work, Notion AI is the ultimate productivity tool. Screen recording. Showcase how it can create summaries, brainstorm ideas, or organize tasks. Highlight its integration into project management and note-taking. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Technologygyan, and turn on notifications for more amazing tech content.